'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the camp there were creatures stirring, I heard with a snap. I heard the leaves rustle, so I turned on my light. I didn't move a muscle. I was petrified with fright. "Who goes there?" I shouted. Was the reply. "Ricky," I thought to myself. "He's so sly." Raccoons are quite tricky. They'll come close when they can. I decided right away to head to the van. Before I went in, I set my light down. I turned on my camera to see what would be found. I got in my van so I wouldn't get attacked. As soon as I closed my door, here came Ricky for his snack. Santa won't be visiting Ricky this year. Why, you may ask? Well, because raccoons don't have chimneys. Y'all, stay lost. Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thanks for putting up with all my silliness. I really do appreciate it. Peace out.